Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about AI query function that is there in Databricks. And this function is a scalar SQL function that simplify access to LLM model served on Databricks platform. So, so let me just open the query and I will show you how to work. And later we will go little deep. So let's suppose that I need to know about some I need to we are having some LLM model and then like ChatGPT, you are asking the questions and it's giving you the answer. So the Databricks providing you to call any LLM model in your SQL query. So that is the advantage Databricks has given to us. So let's suppose that you're having some question like uh, answer briefly what is Databricks, and this is the model we will use. Okay, this is LLM model. Let me just run it. Okay, let's run it and you will get the result here. So from where this Databricks GPT or SS2B model is coming, if you come here in the serving, you will find all the available LLM model endpoint here. So we are just using this LLM model endpoint. If you are having some your personalized proprietary model, you can create the serving here first. If you able to create a serving, it will be listed here and then you can use it. Otherwise, you will not able to use it. So you have to create serving, create endpoint over there, then you can use it. Okay. So I am just using this Databricks GPT OSS 120B or 20B. All those things are there. Okay. So you can, what is the task of that? This is chat, this embedding. So there are multiple many models available here. So this is my Databricks free edition tool. So if you're having enterprise edition, so you will get more LLM here. So you can see this given on Facebook like Databricks Meta Llama model. Okay, there's also Llama. So there are GPT OSS 20B I'm using. So let me go to the SQL query now, and I was running that query, right? So you can see here. So this AI query accepting only two parameter. One is which model you are using. Okay, and this should be available in your catalog. Means it is serving. It should be available in your serving, and then you give the prompt. Whatever prompt you are giving, it will give you the answer. So it is giving us answer like Databricks is a cloud-based unified analytical platform from the Apache Spark. So all this detail it is giving. So how the you are writing the platform, the same way you are getting the answer. So now this we understand like how to use this AI query. Now we'll just go uh, into practical things like how you can use and where you can utilize this AI query in your real-time project. Okay, let's suppose that I will go here and let's suppose that you are having one table called product review. There I have their review ID is there, product name is there, and review text is also there. So you got some feedback or review from the customer, and where this is your product name, and you are getting reviews like this is the mouse is great, very ergonomic, and the battery lasts a long time, highly recommend. So this is someone has given some disappointment, and with color accuracy, the red is muted. So they are giving some review here. So we're having three column and we're having data. So for this best purchase this year, so for this you are getting like, and this is disconnecting, some frustrating, all those type of review you are getting it from customer. So you already have the data. So now based on this data, now if you want to do some sentiment analysis or you want to summarize the text. So if you are having, if you don't have the LLM, so how will you do? You can prepare the table and you share this table to your data science team, and the data science team will apply the LLM model on top of that, and it will generate the sentiment. It will create a sentiment. But using this simple AI query, we can achieve it in SQL. So everything you can do in SQL now. So let me just show you how you can do it. So if you let me first create some table here. Okay, while it is getting created, I will just brief you. This is my blog. I have keep writing some blog also. You can go through. I will give you this blog in the description so you can see like what problem it solved. So basically, data I have already told you. So and then what is the solution here? So Databricks SQL with the Databricks SQL with the AI query function. The function allow you to call a large language model directly within the SQL. Treating the LLM is a native and powerful SQL function. Okay. So, and this is the power of the AI query. And what is the AI query? And it only accept two argument, or you can say parameter. So, and this is the practical scenario I have given you the query as well. So you can just copy paste and practice. Okay, let me just go back to my, so this create table. So I will insert some data as well. Let me insert data here. Okay. Now it is inserting, running the query, and for inserted. And if you select this, so you're having three column. One is review ID, product name, and review text. So now I want the sentiment. So just remember, we will just pass two argument. First one is your LLM model, okay, and second one is your prompt, okay. So so how we are passing the prompt? So this is the LLM model, that's clear. And prompt I'm passing like analyze the following customer review, okay, and respond with only one word like positive or negative or neutral review. And this we are here review of what we are passing the review text here. So the review text, whatever the review text is there, so it will concatenate and prepare this. This is your prompt, okay. From here to here it will be a prompt. So analyze this word, and then what is the review text? It will be here, the mouse is stated this thing. So following what means this, it will analyze review text of first row, okay, and it will just give positive, negative, or neutral value. So and we are creating the column as sentiment for that. So this is the way you can find out a sentiment. The other way is we want to do summarize. So for summarize the things, we need to just give the prompt like summarize the main point of this review in a single word, short sentence review, like this. You can give the prompt. Now the summarize from table this one. Let me just run it and I will show you how it looks. Okay. This is very powerful function. You can see this is positive because they are highly recommend. This is negative because color accuracy fast disappointment is written there. This is also positive because best purchase, and this is also negative. And after that it is summarizing the things also. Okay, so that's all for this video. And I just want to give one more example here. So let's suppose that you are having one sales data. Okay, sales customer, better example of summarizing. So whether you can pass the all the data. So sales table is there. We created the sales table and we get inserted some data here. Okay, let me just do select star from sales data. Okay, and so that you can see the result. And I want to do summarization of total data. Whatever data we are having, with full data we want to pass to the LLM model as in the prompt. And I want to write the summary like who is the top performer of the top five performance customer name, or which product sold more frequently, or whatever it is we can give it. So it do the basic calculation also. So for that I'm using this Databricks Meta Llama. So you can pass any model. So that is you should be use the trend model, otherwise sometime it will give you the wrong answer as well. So that depend on your model, which model you're using. So just don't blindly use any summary or kind of things because depend on the highly trained LM. Okay, So just let me just tell you what I'm doing here is. So if you see, I'm using the AI query. This is the model I'm using. There's the first parameter, and the second parameter I'm passing everything. If you see, I'm passing all the data from sales data. What all things I'm giving in the prompt, I'm passing customer name, product, quality, price, order data, everything I'm passing. And we are doing concate as well. Okay, this is concate. You are a sales, and this is the prompt. You are a sales list. Summarize insight from the following data. What is the data? Data is coming from the table, and it is I'm asking like provide insight like top selling product, revenue trends, and key customer. With the key customer here, let's suppose that some customer is purchased uh, more order. He has given some more order and by spend more amount. So who is the key customer who is doing more shopping? So all those things I give it in summary. Okay. So let me just run the query. Okay, run it and just see the summary how it is giving. So it is analyzing all the data, full data. See, it is giving everything like insight of the data. So top selling product. Okay, the top selling product is laptop. So it is calculating also and the value. So if you see on August 15th, Alice laptop sale. So if you see the data table here, so on 15th August, Alice laptop sale, and then again, and how much it is to $12. So like that, there is something like Bob sold phone and Charlie headphones. So if you see Bob, how much it is 16th, 2 into 8, it is $16. So like that, it is summarizing the detail in detail way. Okay, but I'm just telling you like don't blindly uh, depend on this analysis, because sometimes you may get the different answer that should not be accepted, but it is anyway depend on the model. If it is highly trained model, you will get the good result. Okay, so thank you. And for more detail, you can just go here. Yeah, I'm written everything. I'm pasted here all the table creation step and also the query. So this is very good AI query function. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching.